Hello, everybody. We are speaking quietly, and I realize that double audio capture. We are hold on. Speaking quietly, and I realize that double audio capture. All right. Oh man, I'm so good at this. I continue to learn every day. Okay, so if you're listening to this while I fix all these settings, I might lose you, but hold on 1 second. Okay, there we go. I think that's better. I was trying to play with if I put on music, if you can hear it. So hold on 1 sec. Let me try. If you're wondering why is this guy whispering, it's because it's 5:45 in the morning, and I've never tested to see if anyone else in the house can hear me. So I don't want to wake up my family. So I'm being quiet today, and then maybe later I will actually try and see what happens with some sound on in the office versus what happens upstairs. But in the meantime, let me see if I put on music. I don't know, is anybody floating around in here? Okay, I think it's just me. Thank you to everyone last time because I switched up my settings, getting a much better rate of bits for streaming. And so I'm hoping that we don't get any of that jank that we got to do yesterday. But, okay, we'll see. So anyways, so we're doing this quietly. I forgot to change the title to let everyone know that I'm doing it quietly. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I think this is working a lot better now. It might not be as high of quality, technically, but yeah, it seems to be working really well. Okay. Now, let me try and put on music. And if you're in here, I just want to know if it's working because I'd be interested to see. But sorry. Okay, let's do some boot.dev. So everything seems good. Okay, I did do a lesson yesterday without streaming it because I didn't want to lose my streak, and it was embarrassing. So just know that all you missed was me struggling through things again. So that was pretty great. And now you get to do it again. So what I did was, here, I'll go back. We did this one, iterating over dictionary. I actually did it pretty well, and I didn't have to cheat. I didn't use boots. I didn't look anything up. And when I looked at the solution, I was pretty close, other than the naming of my variables. Oh, and then also, I'm not sure which way makes more sense. They added like a count line to get the count and then compare them, and I just compared them direct in the if statement. I don't know which one's actually better as far as like good code writing, but anyways, I got the answer, so that was pretty cool. I did it at like 10:30 last night because I was just like, oh my god, I have to do it. If I lose my streak, I'm gonna be so bitter, and I just couldn't handle it. So streak continued. Yes. Last thing before I start again is I had my hood up with my headphones over top because I was trying to see why it was better. And so first I used to just do this, but then I was like, oh yeah, that like is ridiculous. And then I was like, well, I'll try and do it like Prime and put it like this and try and do this thing. But then I was just like, no, I can't just like snag Prime's look completely. I mean, I still would need to shave off everything else and go mustache only, but I was like, no, I can't steal Prime's look. So we're going back to regular. We're going full hair, headphones. Ready to rock and roll. Okay. All right. Now I'm done with all of my randomness. And we're starting this. So we're onto the quests of dictionaries. So these are those like optional challenges. So we're going to give those a go and see what we can do. All right. So quest status. Fantasy quest needs a way. Also, excuse my, if I have a lisp, I'm trying not to, but I also have Invisalign. And because I'm up so early, I didn't get to like keep it in for very long. So I was like, I'm going to leave it in. Which, shout out to Invisalign. It's actually legit, and I would totally recommend it if you have any thing about straightening up your teeth. It is legitimately good and was super easy to do. And now I'm just in the like, I don't even know what it's called, the retainer phase, I guess. And so, anyways, highly recommend to anybody. Okay, quest status. Fantasy Quest needs a way to check the status of an individual character's quest status. The game stores each character's progress in a nested data structure, and your job is to fetch the status of a particular quest. Here's the structure of a progress dictionary. Okay, so we got entity, and within the entity, there's character. Character's got name, quests. Within quests, there's bridge on statuses. And so that's another quest. Talk to Syl. Status completed. Okay, so assignment. Complete the get quest status function. It accepts a progress dictionary and returns the character's status in the Dragon Slayer quest. Chain the keys to access the nested data. Okay, so I believe it just wants this, which is return progress. First. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try doing it. Can you use indexes? No, right? You can't use it. Can you use index numbers? I can't remember. In dictionaries. So let's find out. No, okay. Oh, oops. Duh. Oh my goodness. It's too early. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. No, is that right? Yeah, okay. So I need to do progress entity. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so for lesson learned and remembered. All right. Oh, something doesn't like me today. I think it's my Bluetooth, but that's okay. All right. So we want to do something like this, right? We want to return progress entity. Oops. Oops. Did I miss? Oh yeah, my Bluetooth is struggling today. My keyboard keeps wigging out. I wonder why. I wonder if it needs a charge. Entity, character, quests. Oops. Quests. And then it wants the Dragon Slayer. Okay. Alright, what do we think? Is that gonna work? Is that gonna work? Oh, snap. Not quite. What did I return? Expecting... Oh, it wants the status. So wait, what am I printing out right now? What am I returning? I can't read this. Okay, streaming in the morning was a bad idea. I'm very tired. Expecting completed, and it's giving me stat. Oh, duh. I just need to add status. What an idiot. Right? Now when I do that, that should just be completed. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, no, failed. Oops. Oh, because I'm not returning it. Oh my god. Oh, it's just so dumb. It's just so stupid. Okay. Return. How about that? Hey, there we go. Now that should work. Perfect. Oh no, I did it again. I forgot. I forgot to do my quest. Okay, we'll just do this one again in case I run out of time. All right. I hope everyone enjoys a stream where you don't actually learn a lot because the person doing the streaming is a fool. Okay, that was good. All right, let's do this one. How many more optional ones are there? Oh, only 3. Okay, let's just get through all of those today. And if we can do all 3 of these, we'll have finished off the dictionaries chapter, which means I'm almost done the Python chapter, or the Python module course. We're down to 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's finish this dictionary. Okay. Total score. The recently added fantasy quest. Oh, hold on, sorry. Just checking things. I'm going to put up a tweet that just says, I am a very bad coder, and it's very fun to watch me struggle on stream. Just ask Average Arcadian. I'm going to tag you. Yes, you're being lulled into my web. There we go. Done. Nailed it. All right. Let's get back to this. Okay, total score. The recently added Fantasy Quest Battlegrounds are having issues with their in-game score due to how the data is being stored. The first half score and second half score are stored in separate dictionaries, making it difficult for them to parse the overall score. You've been asked to write a function that merges the 2 dictionaries and another function that calculates the score. Complete the merge and total score functions. Merge. Excuse me. Complete the merge function. It accepts 2 score dictionaries as input and returns a single merge dictionary that contains all of the keys and values from the input dictionaries. If a key exists in both dictionaries, the value from the second dictionary should overwrite the value from the first dictionary. Okay, for example, 2 Towers has Frodo, 1 Ring, Aragorn, Narsil. Return of the King has Aragorn, Andoril, Gandalf, Glamdring. Merge dictionary, merge 2 Towers. Return of the King, print merge dictionary. Okay. Overwrite the value. So all you're doing is merging them and overwriting. So it's going to need to do all that stuff that we did a couple streams ago. I'm going to need to first check and see if it's already in there. And then if it is already in there, overwrite it. Okay, that seems doable. Total score. This function should take a single score dictionary as input and return the total score calculated from the values of that dictionary. If no points were scored, the function should return 0. Don't forget, you can always add print statements to your code so that you can debug your code before submitting. Print out values of variables to see what's going on. And question your assumption about what you think is happening. Oh man, I also just realized that I was like, I probably shouldn't turn any music on because if I put this on YouTube, then like I probably don't have rights to any of this stuff. So I'm just, if anyone's still watching, and I think I muted it. If I didn't, let me know, but I'm pretty sure I did. Also, I can feel myself getting louder even just while I'm talking. I'm just like, I just got my eye on the door that all of a sudden I'm going to have like a kid wake up and come running down and go, Dad, what are you doing? It's 6 a.m. Although they wouldn't do that because they're 7 and 5, but still, I feel like they would just be like, why am I awake? All right. Where were we? Other than letting my entire brain go off the rails. Okay, total score. So I take single dictionary as input, score dictionary as input, and return the total score calculated from the values of that dictionary. If no points were scored, the function should return 0. Don't forget, you can always add print statements to your code. Yes, that I can do before submitting. Print out values of variables to see what's going on, and question your assumption about what you think is happening. Example of debugging with print statements. Definition: total scores, score dict, print. Yeah, prints it out for key and score dict. Print the key. Okay. You would then run your code and manually inspect the output. Yes. Okay. The example. Thank you for the example. Lane. It's very good. All right. I will say, if it turns out that whisper streaming is like the way to go, you know, I'm down. I can get into whisper streaming. I can do some like ASMR coding. Excuse me. All right. Def merge dict 1. Okay, so let's do the first part. So first we need to merge the dictionaries. So in order to do that, we need to first. Do we need to iterate through them? And then, because we're trying to check and see if there's anything matching. That's a great question. Well, let's give it a go. So first, let's just start slowly. So we are going to say for item in dict 1. I'm just going to do this basic, and we're just going to do this. We're just going to do dict 2. Oh shit, I need the, item equals dict 1 item, and then I just want to print this out and see if it did dict 1, dict 2. Let's just see if that worked. Oh, no. Oh yeah, okay. So we printed out the first dictionary, first quarter, second quarter, and then the other one we added them in. So that's good. So although this won't work for all of them, because I'm sure there's a tricky bit in here somewhere. But if I run that, would that have passed the first one? Oh no, it wants the number. Duh. It wants the value from the second dictionary. Okay, so it would just want. Wait, what value does it want? Accept 2 scores as input. Okay, so it wants to. What is my goal? Complete the merge function. Accept 2 scores dictionaries. And a single merge dictionary contains all the keys and values. If the key exists in both dictionaries, the value from the second dictionary should overwrite the value from the first dictionary. And then, okay, and then the total. Oh right, and then it wants the total score. But okay, oh, because I have to combine. I have to add them all up. Okay, so again, we're just gonna do this knowing that I'm gonna have to change it, but I just want to see if I can get even the basic ones working first. So then we would need to, for item in dict 2, we would need to do dict 2 item plus equals. Oh, I want to add all of them together. Oh wait, hold on. So if I do print just to make sure, print item, that's just gonna print out the first half, second half, right? Yeah. Okay. So then I need to print, and then if I do this, dict 2, that should print out the scores. Okay, good. So then I just need to add them together for item in dict 2, item do I get this one and then add the next one? I guess I could do like a variable. Oh, duh, but it wants me to do the different. Oh, yeah. Of course, it wants me to use this. So, yeah, it wants me to do this in the second one. So, it wants me to go score dict. What is this putting out right now? Okay, so score dictionary. Oh, is nothing. Is that right? None. And so is that because it needs me to return? Oh man, now I'm confused. Oh, I'm so confused. It's way too early for my brain to do this. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Okay, wait, hold on. The function should take a single score dictionary as input. Okay. So, what dictionary? I guess I could look at the test, because where is it pulling that score dictionary from? I guess that's the part I don't quite understand. Like, if I return it, is it pulling it from here? You know? Is that what it's doing? This is the part, this is what I'm confused. Complete merge and total score function. You've been asked to write a function that merges the division and another function that calculates the total score. Oh, I'm doing these separately, aren't I? Okay, what if I just do this? What if I do score dictionary? Here, wait. Print. Yeah, wait, what's this? This is printing out nothing? Oh, I'm so confused. What is this actually printing out? An empty dictionary. Oh, and this one's printing out this? Is that what's happening? So if I just do score dictionary, I just want to try this. I know this is like weird using the test, but oh, oops. No, there's no key third quarter. Well, I guess I could do this for score. Let's see what prints out. Score. Is that gonna print anything out? Okay, so that is printing out those. Okay. I think I see how this is working now. So it is just two separate functions. It's not actually looking for what I'm doing here, is it? I don't think. Or maybe it is. What if I don't return this? Then what happens? Do I still get the print result? Oh no. Oh, okay. So there you go. It is taking what I'm doing here. I know I could have read through the test, but I'm also not knowledgeable enough yet to do that. So it is taking this. Okay. And then, so I need to do, if we just do current score equals 0, and then for each coordinate, we're going to do current, we're going to do score dict score. No, other way. Current score plus equals that. Yeah? And then return current still worried that none of these tests have an overriding feature or an overriding item, and I don't feel like that's going to handle it. This is going to handle it properly. Okay, but remember how we were talking about last time? These armors? Yeah? We're going to use one here. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. And the only one that failed is I'm assuming it's the one that needed to overwrite the score. Yes. Okay. So now I just need to add in an if statement. If dict dict one item item equals dict 2 item equals dict 2 I want the item. Yeah, I guess that works, right? Because I just want to overwrite it. Then if item equals dict 2 item, I mean, can I just like, or I guess I could do this, right? Will that work? Oops. Oh, no, hold on. Dict 2 item first quarter gear. Okay. Right, because it doesn't have it. So, if item, oh yeah, not item. I need the number. Or if item, I just need to know if it's in there, right? For item in dict 1, do I do a nested for? Is that too intense? For item in dict 1, and then check for item score, I guess. In dict 2, I don't know if this is gonna work. We're just gonna try it. Dict 2. If item equals score, then dict 2 score equals item. Is that gonna work? Is that way too intense? Okay. So if the item equals the score, then do that. If not, just add that. Is that gonna work? No. Oh, dictionary changed size during the iteration. Okay, we're close. It's because it added a new dictionary. It added. Do we want to do that? Oh. Did that work? I mean, it makes sense to me that it would work, but I also don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's just check. Third quarter, fourth quarter. Oh, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna try it. No! Oh, what did I do? Okay. It's gonna be the same one, right? Where's my fail? Okay, here's my fail. So what did it do? What am I actually doing here? It did second quarter 3, which is right. Third quarter 31, fourth quarter 0. And first quarter 25. Oh. Well, now I'm actually confused. Why did that not work? 25, 56, 57, 50. Why did second quarter? Oh, because second quarter didn't overwrite. Darn it. Dict to score equals. What do I have to do? Oh, dict to score equals. I don't want item. I want this, right? Because I need the key. If I need to score dict to, I wonder if I could do. Well, anyways, I just want to try this. Oh man, I'm gonna run out of sharpshooter streaks, which is terrifying. Okay, does that work? No, shoot. Okay, what came out here though? Oh no, did I lose my armor? I thought I had more armors. Oh no. I hope I didn't lose my sharpshooter. I might have, but that's okay. Alright. So, what did I mess up here? Oh, it's still not doing it. It's still not overriding. But why? Why are you not doing it? What am I messing up? So, if the item equals a score, then I know that they're the same. I need to overwrite. Oh. Second quarter. It equals item. And then, why does that not work actually? I actually don't know. What is this? Okay. Burnt. Dict to. Actually, I want to print something out. Oh, I'm gonna have to waste some more. But I just need to see it. Okay, so I should add more print statements because I want to see everything when I can. So what is this? This is dict one item. And I guess I should make sure this is even happening. Print. This happened. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna waste it. I'm gonna get it wrong. We're getting it wrong, folks. We're getting it wrong. Okay. Okay, what did we get wrong? 2. Okay, so it's going through here. Dict to score equals. If item equals score. Okay, I'm just messing up the overwrite and I don't know why. Am I screwing it up? Okay, so it happened. I got the dict to score equals item. And I'm printing that. Dict to score is 2. Is this? Oh! Because I'm overwriting dict to score with the dict 1 item, and I needed to go the other way. So what I actually want is if they equal each other, I need dict to score to equal or I guess I could do this. Can I just do this? Dict 1 item equals. Oh, I don't even think I have to go this complicated. I feel like I can just do this. Dict to. Like, I just need to like pass, right? Like I just don't want to. I need to remove it. I just don't want the second quarter to have. Okay, So if item equals the score, oh man, then in dictionary 2, I need to want to take it from dictionary 2 and not take the one from dictionary 1. So if it equals the same thing, I really just need to pass it, right? Like, I just don't want it to add. Okay, because I don't know if this is going to work, I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to... What happens if I do this? Let's find out. Oh, darn it. Oh, I didn't print anything. Oh, what a fool. I should have printed out the dictionary. I should have printed it. Oh, I'm going to lose my streak. Oh, well, that's fine. I think I still have some more of these. Right? I still have 5. Although I don't even think it's using them. So, whatever. Okay. So, what is coming out? Where's my failure? Okay. Second quarter, third quarter, first quarter. Okay, so maybe I do need to do this. Maybe I need to go. Okay, so I have second quarter, third quarter, but it's rewriting. Okay, so it's still doing this, isn't it? So I can do this. Oh, this is going to be a little bit wrong, I think, but it should work. I'm going to take the dict 1. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. It could be item because they're the same. Equals dict 2 item, and then run it. Yes. Oh, okay. I am so certain that this is not the right way to do it, but it worked. It worked. Hey, I don't know. Is that Gritty Goose? Thank you. Okay, like, it is impossible to fake how good it feels when something like that happens. Like, of course people who do this for a living get excited. It's flippin' amazing when you figure this out. Okay, how far off am I? Oh, snap. I was pretty close. That's not bad. Not bad to the suggested solution. I mean, I feel like that's pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but that feels pretty darn close to me. Yes. Okay, so what did I not have to do? For key in dict 1, merged dict key equals... Oh, I see. So their suggestion is you just create a new dictionary on the fly. And then for key in dict 2, merged dict key equals dict 2 key. And then that way, now that you've added everything from 1 into the merged dictionary, if it's in dict 2, it's just going to update it. Okay. All right. That's better. But I did it. And I can't believe I'm at 46 minutes. Like, what? This time just flies, man. Oh, I am so happy that worked. Oh my god. I'm surprised. I might wake up the family right now because that was too exciting. I need to wake them up. They need to know that their dad figured it out, even though he did it in a horrible way. It worked. feel good. I feel really good. Oh, excuse my swallowing. It's so quiet in here that probably is coming across super loud. Oh, man. Am I ready to try and do one more? There's only one more. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Bad choice already. All right. Vendor. Fantasy Quest players want a way to track what items they purchased from the vendor, how much it cost, and what they still need to purchase from their tracked items list. All right. Assignment. Complete the calculate total function. Inputs. Items purchased. A list of the names of items purchased. This is a list of strings. Pinned list. A list of the names of items the player has pinned, or wanted to purchase. This is also a list of strings. Output. The function should return 3 values in this order. Unpurchased items. A list of all the items names in pinned list that weren't found in items purchased in order. Receipt. A list of all the item names in their pinned list that they wanted to purchase that weren't found in the purchase list. Receipt. A dictionary containing all the items the player purchased, even stuff not on their pinned list. The keys are in the item names and the values are their respective prices from the item prices dictionary. Total. The total cost of all the items that were purchased. Return each value separately, not in a singular list. Okay. I don't know if I fully understand what they're asking, but let's hop to it, baby. All right. So, item purchases and pin list. Okay, so we're going to do some loops, and we're going to need some new dictionaries. So we're going to do unpurchased items is going to be an empty list. That's a dictionary. Duh. Oh, that's what I want, right? A list. Oh no, that's a list. I'm assuming he actually means a list. Receipt equals a dictionary. And total is going to be a number. The total cost of all items. So we'll just put it at 0. Okay. So then we need. So unpurchased items is a list of all the item names in pin list. Well, so 4 items. Items in pinned list. If item, I guess I should do item. For item in pin list. Message up. That's nobody important. Okay. If item doesn't equal items purchased item, then we're going to unpurchased items dot append item. Okay, I think that's right. So let's just do that because at the end we should have print unpurchased items, a list of unpurchased items. Oh man, there's too many things happening. I can't tell. Inputs expecting. I need to see what I actually printed. Well, here, I'll just do this. Oh, error. List indices must be integers or slices, not strings. Huh? What did I do here? Hold on. Should I return all of these things? Because I just want to try and get as much information. Oh, I see. Health potion, gold, Okay, so unpurchased items, not append item. Why Why is that not working? What is this item? How? What am I doing wrong here? Okay, I'm doing something wrong here. List indices must be integers or slices, not strings. Oh, because it's looking at a list. It's not a dictionary. I'm looking at a list. Of course. Okay, so do I need to do this? Okay, yeah, there we go. List index out of range. I guess I should probably go the other list. Item prices. Does that make sense? Oops. Well, anyways, I don't even. Hold on one second. So, print the item. So, under percentage append. I actually want the item name. So, I need to do. Item prices. Item. Is that right? Zero. No, that's not what I want. Was I right here? Pin list. No, what am I messing up here? Okay. Hold up. So for item in range, did I just 0 to the length of pin list? No. It was doing it fine. What did I mess up? Okay. Let's go back. Okay, we're just gonna do this to start. Print item. I just want to make sure. Take this out. I just want to make sure I'm printing. Okay. So I'm printing everything in pin list. Oh, duh. Oh, John. Items purchased. If item doesn't equal pinned list item, then do that. No. What does the pinned list look like? Oh, it's a dictionary. Right? I'm just gonna do this. Print statements are awesome, and everybody should use them all the time. And I don't care about debuggers, because I tried using those once, and they were confusing. Print statements are a lot easier. Okay, what if I just do this? Then what happens? Here, I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Okay, so that printed out the item and the pin list item, but not the value. So, okay, so in items purchased, what am I actually getting? It's just those, right? Items purchased. Oh, and then the pin list is also just a list. I'm just a fool. Okay. So, if I did items purchased item, that should give me the same thing, right? Yeah, okay. So then, if items, I just messed this up because I was thinking about dictionaries. If items purchased item does not equal pinned list item. No, this is going to be wrong. I need to go through. I do need to go through the whole list, don't I? list of all the items in pinned list that weren't found. So, this should work actually, I think. And then unpurchased items, pinned. And then we're going to add the pinned list. No, I need to go the opposite way, right? I need to go pinned list. Is that right? Hold on. No, that's out of index. Okay. So I was right. Items purchased, right? Because that goes through everything. That's fine. What I need to do is then check if item purchased item doesn't equal an item in the pinned list, then I want to add it. But I need to go through the whole pinned list, don't I? Right? Because how else would I see all of them? Although maybe it is doing it. Oh, let's just see what happens. Whoops. Pinned list item. Does that work? Okay. Ice Cold Milk, Gold Dust, Herbs, Crystal Shard. Is that right? Ice Cold Milk. Oh. Fuck. I mean fudge. Ice Cold Milk, Magic Ring, Mystic Amulet. Ice Cold Milk. Yeah, I'm not even getting. But and Herbs and Crystal Shard are on there. Alright. We're messing this up. We're struggling. We're doing okay. But we're struggling. I know I'm thinking about this wrong. So, for the item, okay, I could add, what if I do this in 2 different steps? I could take the items purchased and make 4 items. Okay, so hold on. If I go the other way, if I go pin list way, okay, what happens here? Yeah, so I'm getting a list index out of range. Dwarven Ale, but I'm not getting everything, right? Oh. Hold on. Did somebody wake up? Oh, I might have kids waking up, which means I'm gonna have to go, and I'll have to figure this out either later without you, or we'll stream it again tomorrow. I think a break is probably going to help me anyways, because I'm clearly overthinking this in the wrong way. So, good morning. Enjoy your day. I'm going to go do some parenting for the rest of the day, and I will be back to do this again, and we're going to solve it. And I'm sorry for leaving you on a cliffhanger where you are going to sit there and go, this is so simple. You can solve it easily. We'll figure it out. We'll do it next time. Okay. Thank you, everyone. And let me know what you thought of Whisper Stream. And we'll see how that goes in the future. All right. I really appreciate everybody coming in. If you have any desire to do streaming, I would just say do it. It's a lot of fun. I have no idea what's gonna ever happen, but like, it's a blast. Like, the fact that people are coming in at all is amazing. So I appreciate it. I'm gonna go take care of these kids, and we will continue this another day. All right, thanks so much, guys. Bye.